In this quick video, I am going to show you how to make presentation in PowerPoint with animation. So firstly, we need to create a presentation. For that, you can go with the blank presentation or you can add any template from here and you can work on it. But I want to go with blank presentation. So for that, I'll select the first thing and now I want to get rid of it. So for that, I'll press Ctrl A and hit backspace to delete all of those preset things. Now firstly, I need to add a text here. For that, go to the Insert tab from this ribbon. Once we tap here, then you can add a picture from here, you can add a custom shape, you can add text from here. So firstly, I want to add text and my text name is tiger, so I just name it tiger here, and then I want to bold it. For that, select it, then hit Ctrl B to bold the text, and now to increase its size, go to here and then increase the size from here as well. I want to make it this, and now I want to add an image here. For that, go to the Insert tab again, then go to pictures and now click on this device and select the image which you want to insert. So I have this image, I'll select it, then click on insert, but the image is way too big, so to make it small we just need to drag the corners down and the size will be changed, and now I can place it anywhere else. For the next step, we need to add animation. Firstly, select the object where you want to add animation first. So firstly, I want to animate my text. So for that, select your text, then go to the animations tab, and from here you will see bunch of animations. If we tap on this arrow, then we'll see more animations here, and select the animation which you want to add for your text or any object. So I want to add an float in animation, so I'll select it and you can see the animation has been added. Also, you can choose the options for your animation. For that, select your text and under animations, go to effect options, and from here you can adjust the settings for your animation. If you want to float it up, then select the float up option. If you want to float down, then select the float down option, and similarly more settings will be available for different animations. And now I want to animate my image. For that, select your image, then go to animations tab, and from here choose the animation. So I want to go with zoom, and also you can change the zoom options from here. If you want to side center, then we can select it. If you want to object center, then we can select that as well. And now you can also change the duration for your animation from here. If you want to reduce it, then you can reduce it from here, you can increase it. And now to preview that animation, we need to tap on presenter view, and from here if we click on our slide, then the first thing will appear which we animated first, and now if we click again, then the second object will appear as we click. If you want to switch the placement of your animations, if you want to have your image come first then the text, then for that go back from here and under animations tab go to animation pane, and from here switch the placement of your objects. So I want my image to come first, so for that I'll select my picture and drag it up, and then the image is at the first place, you can see the number here, and the second animation is this tiger. So if you play it again, you can see if I click here, then the image will come first, and if I click again, then the text will appear. So this is the process to make presentation with animation. And also if you want to have multiple slides, then go to the home tab and from here tap on new slide and add any slide from here. If I select blank slide, then that slide will be added. Additionally, you can add transitions for your slide from here, and this is the process to completely animate your slides in PowerPoint. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.